In this tutorial I will show you that how to make sketch in Photoshop. This picture link has in description. First duplicate this layer. Now select Hue Saturation. Now select the saturation to -100. Select the background copy and blending mode to Color Dodge. Then invert the image by pressing Ctrl+I. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Now take the brush and make sure that the foreground color is white. Now remove the dust of background with brush. Select the levels. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos.